Alright, so GAN's 356X. I've been hearing a lot about this cube. It's GAN's new flagship 3i3, and let's just get right into it. So this is the packaging, and geez, that's a lot of stuff. Alright, so you have this card first, GES nuts, magnets, a pamphlet, and another pamphlet, just telling you how the cube works. And now finally the cube. So this is like the same packaging as normal GAN's cubes. Just looking at it, I can see that it uses the half bright shades, which are really nice, obviously. Alright, here's the cube. So visually, it looks the exact same as any other GAN's cube out there. Yeah, there's not really much to say about it. Tensions seem good. Alright, let's do some first turns. Oh yeah, that's actually so good. Oh jeez. Yeah, that's really nice. So the feeling is quite similar to the SM, but this cube is really stable, a lot faster, and I don't know, it's just a better cube. Okay, so the cube is really nice, right? But the main thing about this cube is this. So this is where the magnets are placed on these cubes. So they're on the edges, and these are the types of magnets that go inside of here. So let's just take a piece out, and you can see here's the magnet, and then we just open this up, and looking at the pamphlet, you can see how strong each of the magnets are. So you can see all the different types of strengths, and let's just get one of these. Just get the green ones, and you just slide it in. Oh and there you go, a new magnet. And if you do this for every single piece, then the strength of the magnet of the entire cube will change. So let's just change that back for now. So this is the only cube where you could actually switch these magnets, and I think it's really interesting. I think it's really cool. Definitely makes this cube the most customizable of any 3i3 out there by far. And just overall, like, you could completely change this cube to be however you want, you know. So if you feel like the magnets are too strong, then you could change them. And if you want the cube to be a little bit faster and more unstable, then again you have the GES nuts. So overall, really good cube. It is going to be my main. The problem is this cube is $60, which, like, that's a lot of money. Obviously $60 is a lot for a 3i3. For most people, I would just recommend like an MGC version 2, because that cube is amazing. But if you know that you love GAN cubes and you want the newest one, then this cube will serve you. Now, it's not that big of an upgrade from the SM. Like, in terms of sheer performance, it will be better, and the main thing about it is just how you can change the magnets. So if you already have an SM, there's really no need in upgrading to this cube unless you just really need to change the magnets, I guess. And same thing if you have UM, you don't really need to get this cube. That being said, I still love it, and if you know that you're going to get this cube, then you can know that it's going to be really good. Alright, that's all for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.